everyone, and welcome back to Adventures in Nodeland. I am back streaming this year, first stream of the year, so I'm very, very excited. Very, very green also. Hey, this green. So you can see there's no green screen so far, but it's back there. I don't know. I never pull it out. Anyway, so, and we are back doing some Node Core today, I think. I really want to do some Node Core. Mostly because I have a bug, and I know, Yagith, you trolled me before this started, and you said Bill Gates got a cold. Why he left the windows open? Yeah, I don't know. What we want to do this stream, is fix a bug you put in, Yagith. So hey, have fun. Anyway. And Julio Cass, how it's going, buddy? Pretty good, actually. I relaxed for 2 weeks with my family in Sicily. It was great. We had a fantastic time. So, things are pretty good. Also, take some time with the small one, little one. I don't know. It was quite a lot of fun, to be honest. And so on. So, by the way, we are waiting a second for hello, hi Matteo, for Node.js to build. So we are here, and here you see Node.js is building. So yeah, we are waiting for that to happen. And this takes some time. I haven't built Node on this machine for a bit, so now it needs to be all new V8 and everything. So this is my Linux box. So we are switching to my Linux box today. Pretty fun. I should upgrade this, but it's been still working well. So it's been quite a while. Cool. So yeah, this is it. Eberones, how are you? And hi, Alex Castro. Hi, folks. Yeah, time with Ralph is always great. Yeah, essentially. That's what, I don't know, Christmas break is, holiday season is about, I think. And was pretty good. Pretty good. Very happy on everything. So, I don't know, everything is very good. Relaxed. First stream of the year, as I said. I still need to do a lot of stuff. Probably I really want to... to record more videos and talk about more stuff. Not much time. There was this big drama on NPM apparently, and I completely skipped over it. I have things to say on the topic, but I don't know if I want to throw more fuel to the discussion or not. I still need to watch Theo video, and I would probably do something about that sooner rather than later. And yeah. I think I need to adjust the camera a bit. Just a second, sorry. Here we go. Okay, so, yeah. Better? Maybe. So, hello. So, how do I do fixes for Node? Well, so first of all, if you want to start doing Node.js, Node Core, you need to set up something called CC-Cache. So here we go. C-Cache. This is, if you don't have this on Linux and Mac, you're pretty much screwed. So you really need this thing set up. The reason this allows you to cache precompiled files. So whenever you rebuild, you're not waiting forever and ever to build stuff. So yeah. Oh, Ninja. I don't use Ninja, so I have a fast computer. So I have two things. First of all, I have a dedicated server, which isn't, probably not fast. Sorry, this is bothering me. quite a lot actually. So I'm going to try to fix this thing. Okay, let's try. Yeah, okay. So I have a fast computer. Yes, the Mac is fast, but this time we are using my server, my dedicated server running in Finland to do the work and building. It's taking a little bit of time. This was a completely built from scratch, actually. It usually takes, I don't know, 15 minutes or something, so it will just get through. Yeah, you don't get it. Yeah, yeah. Well, it's not a lot of money. Like, I don't know, if you want to do, like, folks, if you need a dedicated server, you just go to ethner.com, okay? You can... here, dedicated. This is in Europe, so I don't know. There's probably something similar. You go to server auction, and you get, okay? You can get a 32 gigabyte i7 with IPv4 for €34 a month. Like, again, I'm not, like, this is pretty expensive, but consider the cost of one of those machines. It's pretty great, okay? Like, you want $34 because the same amount of money. So you could even get a 64 gig for the same price. Whatever, makes no sense. So anyway, no, it's pretty good. So I'm not saying you could. This is what I use. So and this machine is is pretty beefy. So I have 8 virtual cores, 4 physical ones, and massively building 64 gig of RAM, SSDs. It's great. So yay. You haven't changed in times with CC cache? Well, how? Like, if you're not getting it, then it's you should seeing James. So James is saying that he hasn't seen any improvement with it is okay with CC cache, and yeah, no, there is plenty. Like, again, if without CC cache, is almost not doable. Especially if you need to do rebasing and so on and so forth. So I don't know how it doesn't work for you. Yeah, you need to change your bash to use CC cache. Yeah. So there is also a question from Alexandro Alex Castro FBR, and do you think someday we'll have something solid like Rails or JavaScript for the backend world? I know we have Nest and Adonis, but there's a lot of user discussion about ORM or framework or stuff. Look, I am trying to build one. So if you want to try and chime in, you can go to platformatic.dev and check it out. Okay, that's exactly what I'm trying to build. So, maybe we can make it, maybe not, but this is what we are trying to. So, cool. Yeah, it's building V8. Okay. Oh no, you're going, Yagi. I'm fixing your bug, and you're going for a meeting. I'm not, Look, I should be grateful because it's Sentry sponsoring me quite a lot of. It's giving me quite a lot of sponsorship money. I don't know. I think $15-20 a month. So it's great. Hey, I don't worry. Don't ask what you wish for, Yagith. Okay. More question, Alto Pascio. I don't know if you have time for a question, but you have one. Yeah, I have time. Like, I'm literally waiting for Node to build. This is the situation. So if you have a question, it's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good moment to ask one. So if you want to ask, please do. Oh, you are the guy who made the PR on Platformatic for the module identifier. What is the module identifier? Sorry, I am. I have reviewed, I don't know, probably 250 plus stuff in the last few days. So really, I need some help here. I'm sorry. Hello. Okay. Hi. A gum. I'm chewing a gum. Sorry. Okay. Add module identifier to the as plugin path. Okay. I have the PR. So Alto Pascio, what's the question? Hello. How are you doing? Any feedback? Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me know. Let me recall what I exactly did. And so the problem here is okay. The problem was on the fact that you put it as part of the where is it? Yeah, so you put it as part of the plugins list, okay, and you put it as plugin module, okay. While in this other code that when I was reviewing yours, I saw the problem, and I needed this fixed, so I just very quickly done it. The problem here is that we needed to import the package before everything, okay. So really, it was nothing that you did or not did here. It was more of I needed a completely different design from what was in the PR, and I need it in that exact moment. So, and then I just ended up doing it very quickly. So, literally, there was nothing that you did wrong. Like, apart from possibly not writing the docs, but this is less important probably. But the problem was on the actual code. Oh, sorry, on the actual API structure. So, and we needed something different. It didn't, because you couldn't really use a paths element here, and then have a module in. You see, you have paths, and then you have a path. So if you have paths, you need to have a list of paths. Instead, you have packages, and you see the problem. Okay, so that was the problem, really. It was more of a naming thing. It didn't look nice. Okay. Well, V8 is still building, so happy it is. Okay, V8 is still actually building. Yay, here we go. So, Good. There's a nice question from unpronounceable handle. ITJR. I can't. What should be a good event loop delay to target? Like anything over 2 milliseconds is considered bad. Oh no, I would put it at 2 milliseconds is probably normal actually. If there is anything running on your machine, if you're Node.js, actually getting 2 milliseconds is actually, pretty normal. Yeah, actually, I forgot to turn on the lights. That's why I'm not getting. Here we go. Sorry. Here we go. We have more lights. Yeah, it is. Okay. So, yeah, it's 2 milliseconds is probably normal. I would say I am pretty happy and pretty much happy that's like 2 milliseconds is just normal delay. So I would say anything above a second is problematic. Probably everything under over, if you want to be more aggressive, 200 milliseconds, 500 milliseconds, something like that. Okay, so good question from Alto Pascio. Are you going to be in Florence for the open source days this year? I don't know. If they accept my talk proposal, yes. If they don't, not. I won't. I think I've sent them a CFP. So it's, I hope so. If not, I'm sorry. I won't be there. I remember thinking of sending a CFP. Let me check. Okay. And I don't know actually. Let me see. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if they accept me. I have absolutely no idea. I think I did, but I don't remember. Things were blurry a little bit. Yeah, the good answer, Brian. Event loop targets are going to vary depending on what you're doing with the app, what is the use case, and so on and so forth. So, cool. Maybe it's getting there. Yay. C8 needs some work. Oh yeah. Well, actually, the fix for that has been the fix for most C8 problem has been landed on main. So very hopefully we will get back something going in we will get something going in a few weeks. So anyway, I don't know. I started this build a long time ago, and this is still building. I'm not happy about it. Usually it's way faster. Let me try changing something. So when you build Node, you have a parameter called J, which gives you amount of jobs that you can run. So I'm switching from 16. We probably have too many because on my machine I use 16 to 8 in to 8, which probably have less contention and probably can run faster. Let's see. Oh, just in case where I know my lines are. Oh, yeah. Well, that's not that. That's V8. So the data, the coverage data from C8 come from V8 itself. So literally, that's how V8 works. So It's not C8. Hello, Satanacchio. How are you going? How are you doing? Everybody, we have a full crowd here today. So I'm very happy about it. Full crowd. Hey, folks. Cool. Okay. So, yeah. So, so apparently the codes that I wanted to work with as a PR open, but we are going to work on this PR open because it was open on the December 4th and it's been stalled. So I'm probably going to take this code, this patch, and look into it. Now, let me explain what is the problem that I want to fix and what what we are trying to do. So here's the problem. The problem is that if you so the Node.js has shipped a new watch implementation that has a recursive option. This works on both Mac and Windows, and since a little bit of time Linux, but it has a problem on Linux only. It's that when you call watch, okay, the operation of watching itself was implemented as asynchronous, and because of that, it's you cannot guarantee that once it's finished, you have all the watch has been set up correctly, okay, and you can see it here in oh, not this one, okay. You can see it in the code. What is the file name again? Lib fast recursive watch. So lib internal fast recursive watch. You can see it here, and the problem is that this traverse is a sync, okay. And it should not be, okay. Like even this watch folder, it's a sync, okay. None of this needs to be should be a sync, okay. All of this should be synchronous, and the reason is if it's not synchronous, you can lose events, okay. And there's no way from a user to know when that's done and you have finished listening and setting things up. So, oh, nice. So basically, Brian and James are talking about fixing stuff on injecting the middle, inserting the middle. I think it's a fantastic module. You probably, it's a module that only if you're working on APMs, you know about it probably. But so yeah, we'll need to do import in the middle. Yay, import in the middle, which is the companion of require in the middle for CJS. So yeah, no, I know you're just here to disturb, but you know this is absolutely noted and recorded and so on. So it's fun. It's fun to have you two here on the stream. So anyway, this is so fantastic because it's still running. Like it's unbelievable. TarQ. It's, you know, I have not built Node on this machine for so long, and this is almost a build from scratch. And oh my goodness, this is taking forever. Look this. Look at my workstation. How long it's been up? 200. I probably need to restart it, but whatever. It's great. So yeah, this is not needed. No Ninja. I've never set it up, Ninja. Should I set up Ninja? Satanacchio and Yagiet. Should I set up Ninja? This is a question for you. Oh, great. Oh no, but I need to restart this one. I need to apply some kernel fixes. So that's the problem. Yeah, I don't think it will take seconds, Satanakio, mostly because there's still all this this is still a lot of stuff that needs to be compiled, like a lot. Like you can't fake the CC the compilation time. Okay, so once this is done, it will take nothing again. But this is I have not built it for a long time. So yay. Okay. So anyway. Anyway. Yeah, that's essentially something that I would say it's correct. So okay, let's take a look at let's start writing our test. Okay, first. So let's take this patch. I don't think this patch is correct. So pretty sure it's not actually. So I'm going to start from scratch, and I'm actually going to start from scratch. So here we go. Okay, so let's take this and test. Yeah, too many files. So vim test parallel test fs recursive sync write .js. Okay, here we go. So we have this require common. Here we go. Clear timeout. So we have the folder, we have the file name. Okay. Common must. Oh yeah, I need common. Okay. Must call. Here we go. Okay. Yep. Common must call. And this can be really put down to 10 seconds because this is going to be an asynchronous event. So we need something to keep up the event loop. Here we go. This is takes forever. Come on. Really. Should have started it earlier. Like again. Look at it. Okay, so this seems the test. Okay, so if I do nvm i21. Okay, so if I use node 21, this is failing big time. Yep, timed out. There's a question in the chat, so let's take a look at the question. Return promise without tagging the function as a sync. So, okay. This is fun, okay? So, okay. this is actually very interesting because they don't do the same thing. It's not an anti-pattern or a pattern or anything. It just do two different things. So let's unpack it. Okay. So okay. So this is actually very interesting question. Okay. And yeah. Okay. So let's do okay, this is our function. Okay. And then you can do anti-pattern. Okay. You can see, okay, that you are not showing syncfn in the stack trace. Okay. Now, is this an anti-pattern or not? Now, it depends on you. Okay. It depends the type of code that you are writing. If I am writing it, hell yeah, I am writing this. Okay. Why? Do you know what is the difference between those two things? Okay. This is actually a super interesting question, by the way. So the major difference between those two things is that one allocates more promises than the other. Okay. If you do the asyncfn, so if you don't, if you mark this as a sync, and you mark this, now you can see, and you need to await it. Now you can see that you have, you see the result in the stack trace, okay? But if you don't have the stack trace, the element in the stack trace. Now, this is something that it matters to you or not. It depends on the type of code that you do. So if you have this, oh, sorry. If you put this thing up, this is allocated way more promises than the other stuff. So you have one promise for a sync that get added, plus you have at least 2 microticks for await. So overall, you are adding 3 microticks to your execution. Now, if you keep going this in the stack, up and up and up and up and up and up and up, you end up adding quite a lot of overhead in your application, essentially getting death by 1,000 cuts. So if you want to avoid the perf, if you do this, you have no performance malus of adding sync function. So yeah, up to you, essentially, to make that decision for yourself if you want it or not. Okay, it's oh yeah, count promises, amazing. We have a module, so let's do it. Let's do it. So make dir example, cd example, npm init -y. Okay. And is this an ESM, Ben? Benjiel, you did write an ESM. No, you wrote me a JavaScript one. Thank you. Okay, so I can. Okay, let's see how you can use this module. Okay, you do start counter and stop counter. Okay, so vim anti-pattern, and ooh, yeah. Okay, so we have been doing this. Okay. Okay. And const total. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Oh. Const. No. Yeah. Okay, so okay, with this you have 7 promises. Okay, not you have 7 frigging promises for a few. for two function calling each other, okay, which makes absolute sense because it's 3 plus 3 plus 4, which is the one that we have been running on, and so on. And if we add an async here, okay, we can now 9 promises. Good. Oh, so it only adds 2. Cool. I'm very happy about this. There is a promise elision by V8 that, you know, makes me very happy here. Anyway, it adds 2 more microtext. So you decide it. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Up to you. I have no clue really. So it's oh, look, by the way, this is still building. How much did they change V8? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I wonder if I had some weird setup. Sorry. Because it made no sense. Absolutely made no sense. It's back when it was. Nope. Torque you. It's building. So anyway, this is the difference where we're talking about. So it's V9 now. How come it's V9? It was V8. How come it's V9? Come on, folks. Is this a Mac? No, it's not a Mac. Okay, it's this is not a Mac. This is a Linux. So I have 2 things. So this one that you see here. So this is my Linux box, MCWS, and running on Ethner. And this is my Mac, and my Mac is actually, you know, a little bit of a beast itself. It's as registered 10 CPUs here with a bunch of stuff running. A lot of it is used by OBS right now. So yes, I probably would. Okay, I probably need to explain a few things on perf to on when things go wrong. But yeah, I can probably do imperative JavaScript for performance. Well, there is a pretty much a good rule: don't do functional programming. Or generically, don't use Ramda. More specifically, don't use Ramda. If you use Ramda, you're probably screwed. Okay, in terms of perf, which, you know, it's up to you to decide. Okay, I'm not convinced. Oh, it built. It built. We have Node. Okay, so great. So now we can start our fix. Let's start our fix. Okay, so the fix needs to go in lib fs, lib internal fs recursive watch. Okay, so okay, first of all, if I am going in promises here, nope, internal fs promises. Okay, watchers. Okay, I want to check exactly where things come from. Okay, watchers. Okay, watchers. Watch. Function. Function watch. Why? Sorry. I'm lost. And How is this declared? Where is this declared? Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay. So this watch. And so this creates an FS event. Okay, sorry, recursive true. So what I'm trying to get now is understanding where this kicks in. Okay, so we have tree. Okay, sorry, this goes to tree. Oh, non-native. Okay. Here we go. So this is where it come from. Okay. So watch, it's underscore watch. Okay. So on Linux, it goes in here and it passes on non-native file watcher, fs watcher. Okay. So we are here. So this path is only used for our stuff. Okay. So let's start to taking a look at our stuff. So, okay. Okay, so we don't need the promises. So promises are gone. Well, let's keep it there for a second. So this traverse, okay. Let's start from this. Let's start from, so 4 I can close. Okay. Very bad. Bad for me. Okay, internal FS. So we have here, and we have promises. Okay. And in promises, we call watcher, FS watcher, we create the new, and kwatch start file name. Okay. And then, yeah, this method needs to become sync. Okay, that's the problem. So the kwatch start, kwatch. Sorry, where is it? I'm super bad. KFS watch start. KFS. Okay. So this is sync, but it has this promise then in it. Okay. So this is the problem. So we need to drop this up and pass a callback to it, maybe. Not even. Yeah, something like that. Okay. And then we have watch file. Yeah, watch file is synchronous. So this is it's going open there. No, lazy load fs sync, fsync. Yeah. So this is open dir sync. And prototype push. So subdirectories. Yeah, nope. I don't need to do any of this because I'm removing this stuff. So now I just calling traverse, yeah, with files and symbolic links. Yeah. Not sure why, but yeah. Okay. And oh, wait a second. Watch folder. Yeah, nope. This needs to be sync. So lazy, yeah. So files, open your sync. Yeah. Yep. Is there any other async here? No. So I think I can get those two things gone. And yeah, and this is gone too. Okay. Let's rebuild. Look, since we added the snapshot things, it got a little bit slower, the build. Ooh. This can go. Here we go. Ah, sorry. My bad. Let's try. It's not working. Oh yeah, this is not working because this is not latest. Here we go. Oh. What? Line 30. Line 30. Oh. Rebuilding made mistakes. Mistakes were made. Here we go. Okay. Yes, there was, right? There was. You are actually right. There is a way to rebuild it. Just a second. There is. You're right, Benjiel. So there is a way, an option, and to... There was an option. So let's see. I keep forgetting about this amazing option. No. Let me see. Maybe I can find it in... It's in the configure script. No. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, amazing. Yes, thank you very much. I completely forget about that one. Every single time I complain big time. Anyway. Hey, hi, Bika Hunahara. Thank you very much for your subscription. Now, this did not work. My change did not work anyway. So I am pretty much not happy about it. Absolutely not happy. So right now... So right now, there is absolutely nothing here. How come the test is not passing? Oh, Node built in. Ha, amazing. Yep. Let's try. Nope. Oh. Here we go. Yeah, now it's building. This is Ccache in at speed. Okay, as you can see, this is Ccache doing his file, so it's super fast, or at least it should be. Okay, so Yeah, you see. Okay. Now, it's not working at all. Even this is not working. Okay, so I broke something. It's not getting there. Okay. This is not needed. Okay. So here we have traverse is not doing its job. So traverse does this exist? Internal fs oh yeah, I deleted the wrong file. Yeah, okay, for whatever reason. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Closing directory on garbage collection. Yay, we need to close the dir. Close. So let's take a look. Okay, fs. Open dir sync. Okay. Oh, wait a second. We could technically do a recursive with this. This was something that was being doing in this PR. Let me see. Here. Yeah, this was not working because of the stuff. Okay, but yeah, I don't need. We don't need traverse. It's not needed. Can go. Okay. And if it's a directory, we can just do this watch folder file name. Files is not iterable. Oh. Where? 12113. Oh, it's not iterable. Okay. Oh yeah, of course. So we need to do read dir. Read dir sync. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm not sharing my terminal. Thank you very much. So it's not open dir sync, is read dir sync. Open dir sync, read dir sync. Here we go. Yes, it's working. Okay. At least we are getting there. But this is not being triggered at all. So, okay. Key watch start. Yep. Yep. I'm using the Groovebox theme. Yes. Yeah, no, this did not. So watch folder. Okay. So, yeah. Sorry. What? Okay. This will never work. This is a different bug. Because we're not watching the folder, actually. We are only, so we need to change the test a little bit. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so 1 and 2. And now this should work. Perfect. 118. Okay. And why this is complaining? Row debug. Oh. Test.file. Is it a string? Okay, fine. Is symbolic link. Okay. Read dir sync, return. Oh yeah, dirent. Yep, I need the dirent thingy. Okay, so I need to pass an option here. Is with file types. Is not defined 120. Yep. Here we go. Okay, watching 2 files. Okay. Yep. Cool. What? Interesting. If I just do that. Yay, it passed, but it took a long amount of time to get the data. How? Do I have a timeout? Here I have a timeout. Can just shorten the timeout. Yeah, now you see. Very interesting. Oh, watching on Linux is basically polling, so I need the long timeout. Okay, thank you, Yagith. It's in libuv. Oh, okay, so we literally need 10 seconds to get it. Okay, yeah, and even 10 seconds might not be enough. Yep. Yep, here it is. Okay. And common platform timeout, 30 seconds. Might take forever. Do you know, folks, if there's a way to do this in here? Okay, here we go. And let me see what was the other PR doing. Yeah, this was just a partial fix. Yeah, and then you can remove all this await set timeout. Cool. Okay. FS recursive. Okay. Hey, good question on the watch API on libuv. Okay, so here we need to assert strict equal rename and assert strict equal, and this is, need to call it file name, and this is file name. Okay, this is file name and this is file name. Okay. Sorry, I need to let me start the thing. So to automatic scene switcher. Here we go. Start. Okay. So and oh, assert is not defined. Cool. Oh yeah. And so I need join. Okay. Oh, what did I do wrong? It's whatever. Here we go. Here we go. And yep, it's passing. Okay. So we need to do a little bit of refactoring then. ls test parallel test fs watch star recursive. Star, okay. Ooh, we have a lot of files to change. Okay. And await. Okay. 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 So this one was add file, add folder. Okay. Well, I would keep those two there. Okay. There's no timeout. Yeah. Well, to be honest, I'm not convinced I'm going to do this. I'm going to restore all of them and leave them as is. Yeah. But I reverted all your changes, Yageth? So you did all these changes? Where did you do all the timeout were yours? I'm not going to change it. So I decided to leave them as is right now. So git def. Okay. So let's run a make test and see how it's going. So Yagis, if you made all the if you put in those platform timeout over everywhere, right? None. Let's see. Oh, meanwhile, look into this. Yep, I had to. Hey, okay. Oh wow, you did this change. This did not land. Oh really? It's polling. It's polling. Okay. Well, we're running the linter now. Happy days. I'm going to drink some water. So in the time we have run this stream, I have received 25 emails. I'm not happy about them. There's a lot of releases. Especially seems Vue has done a release, and so yay. Yeah, Vue has done a release, and yep. Yeah, I did a little bit of checkout of emails, and yeah, more security work. So anyway, here we go. So here we go. We are running, and hopefully we will get some data on these tests. Torque used. It seems that torque is the okay. In the meanwhile, git commit -s -m. Oh yeah, let's put fix. Sorry, fs. Remove Linux. Remove race condition with for fs for recursive watch on Linux. Okay. Oh, I need to remove some stuff before doing that, I think. So here, this process, row debug. Yep. So let's get, oh, fix recursive. Let's push this. Okay. Here we go. We are running. And open a PR on Linux. Open a PR. Okay. And 1, 2, and 3. Fixes. Okay, let's see how CI is doing. I don't know. CI at this point in time still is, well, this is passing. Tests are passing locally, so let's see. So this PR had this other work here that did all these changes to the removal, but it's a lot to, like, to do a good job here. You need to remove the async await from a lot of the places, a big refactoring. So I think it's probably better to do in a separate PR. And that's it. Oh, Yagith did LGTM me, so I usually LGTM Yagith, so now he LGTM me. I'm very happy. Okay, so let's see. It's locally this is passing. It's like think we are out of the problems. So let's kick Oh, what did I do wrong? Linting. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I am pretty sure. Make lint. Oh, you did LGTM me for what? Sorry, I guess I'm lost. I lost the reason. There's a little bit of delay between what you see and what you get. Yay, even Satanakyo gave me his LGTM. So you see, this has been approved. I can almost fast track it, you see. No, I'm joking. I'm not going to. But yay. So. Haha, okay. Cool. We are running. Why the heck the linter is frigging me? Come on, linter. What did I do wrong? So why this is okay? Maybe. So my daughter outside is out. Oh, it is okay. Is okay. Okay, so array prototype push is not needed. This is not needed. Trailing comma. Okay, 96. No, probably. Unwatch. Sorry, where? 110. Oh, okay, here. Yep. Okay. So then in the test, here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Not needed. Okay. I think we are good. Please, Satanakyo, do. Sorry. Where the heck are we doing this? Promises. What is this complaining about? 244. Oh, okay. Deleted something too much. Okay. Here we go. Push, please. LGTM it again, please. So, okay. Here we go. If this lands, I'm going to create a bunch of good first issues for all these other files so people can have fun. Hello, Damien. How are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Hello. So, here we go. Okay, this is running. Let's check the linting. Yay. Let's see if the linting is passing. Yay. And hello, hi Rafael. I have done some Node core, very strange, and then in this stream I've done some Node core and worked on some code that Yagith wrote, which is in the group. Yay! Hello. When it's Node core, a lot of people are joining. Yay! Have fun. This was a fun stream. almost up to a close. So I'm sorry you just joined at the last minute, Rafael. So yeah, okay. So now let's go to request. Oh, somebody already requested a CI. So good, perfect. Thank you, Yegith. So again, this is there. We have done a PR, okay, and PR was done very, very happily done. We've just removed more code than what we wrote, so this is great. Okay, usually when you fix a bug by reducing code, you're actually doing a good job. Okay. Rafael, well, the tests are running everywhere because we want to guarantee that behavior is the same across all implementations. So not just Linux. So that's the reason. So let's see how it goes, essentially, I would say. And we will know soon. Okay. So I think that's all for today. And I wanted to do more stuff in this stream, but I think it was a fun one anyway. Windows 32 bits. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's going to be fun. Windows 32 bits. Okay, so let's see these other tests. Let's see. If it fails, it fails. That's what it is. We will deal with it, I would say. So anyway, I think that's the end result of this stream. I think we have removed Windows 32. I think it's gone. I think. Did we? Let's check, because this is a good question. Sorry, this I want to keep open. Not anymore. It's gone. We have removed Windows 32. Okay. Yay! Hooray! Big hooray for us. Okay. Amazing. The future is bright with less Windows. I'm not sure if its future is bright with less Windows. I think the future will be brighter with better Windows support, I would say. So, hi, Denton Burton V2. Thank you for following. Hello. So, that's the end, more or less the end of the stream. Okay, I have been, I think we have done it all. So I don't have much more to say for today. So thank you very much for watching. And I don't know if you have any questions. I can probably answer a quick question if you have one. But yeah, just let me know. And yeah. I need to probably send this thing as a tweet, follow-up tweet of the stream. Which is going to be fun. So, okay, let's do it. And fix the Node.js bug. Okay, there is a question. What is your favorite type of API? I mean, REST or PC? Okay, so this is actually a very interesting question. The one that I like the most, it's probably SOAP. No, I'm joking. It's not SOAP. It's Corba. No, it's not even Corba. No, really. I think not even REST. not even REST. It's probably just JSON APIs built on top of HTTP. And if you go too much on the REST pattern and implement it with hypermedia links and so on, it becomes too complex. So no, keep it as simple as possible, really. Literally, like using that combined with an open API definition, very simple. Again, don't go crazy, okay, with it. It's actually the best way you can do it, okay, essentially. Pretty much, especially when you have cross teams, you don't know who is going to consume your APIs. If you're doing microservice to microservice communication and you control more or less your boundaries, you can use gRPC. It works, minus when it doesn't, and a lot of other problems. So yeah, no ITOS. Yeah, exactly. No, I have never seen ITOS work in practice. Okay. Sorry. It's very fun and nice to see, okay? Especially if you are exploring the API, it's very nice. But in practice, for actual real-world use case, you don't want to follow the links, okay? Yeah, CSV over HTTP is a good one, okay? So, yay. So I really like GraphQL for certain use cases. In certain use cases, GraphQL is such a phenomenal tool, I would say. Mostly because you can define you are decoupling your APIs from your rendering layer, from your front end. So you can create a rich API that then the client can just get on a single swap. So that's pretty great. So yay. Anyway, I think we are done. Okay, I need to go and feed my daughter as usual. This is the typical bit. I would say thank you very much for watching, and I will be probably streaming again this Thursday, but you never know. So hopefully, yes, I think I'm trying to get more a stable streaming thing, but we'll see. Okay. And thank you very much, and see you soon. Hi, Bronitify, you just joined. I'm sorry. We have just finished. We are just finishing, so I am sorry. Thank you, folks, and hopefully you loved the contribution to Node, and it was a fun one to do, and something that I desperately needed myself on Platformatics. So, yeah, we got bit by this pretty hard. So we'll get this hopefully soon fixed and shipped. And yeah, bye-bye, folks. Thank you for watching. Bye. Maybe. Yeah. Bye.